Check It ARV News live on the scene. We see that a dragon apparently broke into the front of the Roomba. I don't know what's going on. It fled the scene. Emergency crews are now arriving as we see the fire department is slowly coming in. Bob, I think they're going to be airlifting the victim to the nearest robotic hospital for repairs.
Put her down. Gentlemen.
Yes.
I don't think there's help.
I think there is.
You think so?
I do, too.
Go ahead and take that. Thank you. We need that out of the way. Philip! What is this?
Philip?
Wrong Philip. Ah, yes. Thank you for getting me the right Philip.
Are you okay?
I need my nurse next to me. Nurse, I need a towel. Thank you, nurse. Be careful. We don't want to hurt Rosie. All right? We're about to unplug her. Oh, but that looked kind of important.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. That is
What?
important.
You're not sure?
It is important.
It is?
I think it is, yeah. Someone will die.
All right. We're ready for the rest of the surgery. This. Oh, we have the new one. Give me a wipe. We can't introduce infection to the patient. We must clean the area. Scribe. Rosie may not make it.
She should. Yeah, she should.
Is that all we're going off of? Shoulds?
Yes.
We must clean the area free of infection.
Sorry, doctor. Look with it.
We're bringing the patient back to life. Lid. Filter. Make her look brand new. We want her feeling good when she leaves this hospital. After her brush with death.